Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your entire search history on Telegram in just a few simple steps. So whether you want more privacy or just want to clean things up, I have got you covered. So let's jump right in. Unlock your phone and open the Telegram app. On the top right corner of the app, tap on the search bar. If you want to remove specific searches, tap and hold on the search term. Then select Remove. To delete everything, tap the Clear All button next to recent searches and tap Clear All. If you want more privacy, you can also delete chat history by tapping and holding on conversation and selecting Delete Chat. Okay, so now I will tap on this box so that the conversation from this person's side gets also deleted. Now tap on Delete Chat. And yes, that's it. You have successfully cleared your Telegram search history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.